Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. This is Michael and I'm so happy to have us on this channel. So in this channel, in this video in particular, I'm going to be showing you a very powerful strategy that you're going to be using, or that you can actually use to increase your sales revenue for your business. Now this video is for coaches, affiliate marketers, information marketers, e-commerce, anybody that is an internet entrepreneur that sells and leverage on the internet to sell products and services. This video is a must watch for you and you gotta have to watch this video. Now thank you, fam. So if you're new to this channel, please, fam, I would want you to subscribe hit the subscribe button, the bell notification button, and let's get rolling. Okay, so in this video in particular, I'm going to be walking out through on how you can actually what is upsell. Like, this is not some kind of beginner's video, right? But then if you're seeing this video for the first time, it's going to help you that way. So I just want to get straight to the point without wasting much of our time. All right, a lot of times we've had stuff like upsell and cross-sell, and we don't even know what it actually is. I mean, what is upsell and what is cross-sell? So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what it simply means and how we can make the most use of these sales strategies, and all right, to what increase our sales. All right, so upselling simply means convincing the customer to purchase a more expensive version of a product. Now this is the illustration here. So let's say you have a product you're selling for $20, all right, and then you are bringing up another offer for the customer that, hey, what about you buy this product, like a better one, maybe a better version of it for, let's say, $40 or $25, $30 thereabout. That is what simple and upsell means. And then cross-sell, which is the most important, or should I say, my emphasis on this video, all right, is when you are selling a product, it's convincing the customer to purchase related products and services. So you have a product, let's say you are selling this is a product you are selling, right, and then your prospects are about checking out from your page, and then you're able to like introduce to them another variation, maybe related product, all right, and they buy, of course. This is very powerful, right? This is very interesting. And if you're a business person and you're not making use of this sales formula, this sales funnel, all right, this sales strategy, all right, you probably are leaving a couple of cash and money on the table, all right. So let me give you a breakdown, all right, how exactly this funnel works. So you have set up your campaign and then you send traffic to your sales page, right? And your customers, your leads, prospect, they come to your sales page, they see your offer, they see the product you're selling, all right, and they're actually interested to buy the product, and then they hit on the other button, and then they are on the other form, the checkout page, and everything being equal at this point, they've actually added to the cart the product they want to buy. Right now, this is where you have to pay more attention. Now let's say if you're using just a simple funnel whereby a customer comes to the sales page and order form and then straight down to the thank you page, all right, you've lost money in between here. And this video, I'm going to be showing how you can actually fix that. All right, so we're going to be doing, you need to actually start using this type of funnel, all right, in a way that the customer comes to your sales page and then your order form, he or she has clicked and then placed the order for the product they want to buy. But then you don't just leave them there, you want to upsell to them, and then you want to also cross sell to them or downsell to them. This is what you're going to do, all right. So that's the same money, all right, you've spent 5,000 thereabouts, or maybe 10,000, 20,000 on ads, and then instead of this customer simply coming down here and then get to your sales page, order form, and then thank you page, all right, and at the end of the day you probably have just the product cost, which is, let's say, 20,000 for the initial product here, right, and that is that. But you can actually make more money, the same funnel, the same traffic you're sending to your sales page, by simply implementing the upsell and downsell. That is that. So your customer comes to this point, you are selling a product, a higher variation of that product, right, to them. All right, now let's say you're selling a product that you are selling maybe a full flask, and then get one of the full flasks for 20,000. Then you're upselling, okay, I'm gonna be selling you two of these full flasks for maybe 35,000 instead of getting it for 40,000. Now you're upselling for them and they're buying that. Now, like I said, many of us are already familiar with upsell, but then the major part of it is cross-selling, where you actually are selling related product. So the customer have come to this point and they have added to cart. Yes, I want you to give me a more higher what product value of the product you're selling to me. And not just that, I also want to have the related products, all right, that I can use for this. and then you have let's say 20,000 here, all right, for the upsell depending, and you have let's say 15,000 here for the product that related to the main product you're selling, and that is how much you've made already. So this video I'm going to be showing how we can actually implement this and use this type of sales funnel, all right, for our business. All right, so let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to go to your WordPress, and once you go to your WordPress, I expect you, there's a particular plugin called Catflow. That's a plugin we're going to be using in this session actually, right, to get this thing done. All right, so when you get to Catflow, to get a Catflow, you can simply come here and then go to the pricing, and then all right, get the pricing. I love Catflow. I've been using Catflow since 2019, 20 thereabout, and it's amazing. Like, I love it. There's a lot of stuff actually, there's a lot of benefit, there's a lot of advantage using Catflow. A lot of times a customer will come to my website and they want to place order. Maybe for some reasons they choose not to place order anymore. Guess what Catflow is going to do for me? Catflow is going to store that customer's detail in cart abandonment, and when I go back to my website and then click on cart abandonment, I'm going to see the customer who was at the point of placing an order, but for some reasons he or she didn't place order. And what I'm going to do from that point is to follow the customer up, and at the end of the day, man, I always get the product delivered to them. All right, so that is that. So you have to get Catflow, and then when you get to Catflow, all right, you just simply get down to your plugin, add a new plugin. All right, of course, I assume you know how to add a plugin. Click on add new plugin, add new, and once you get to this interface of the page, click on upload and have your Catflow uploaded here. All right, now Catflow uses both the free version and the pro version. The both of them works together. All right, you can't have the free version wouldn't give you there's a limit to what you're going to be getting from the free version, and you're going to have to use the pro version as well to get the best use of the Catflow. So when you install Catflow, right, just head straight to Catflow. All right, head straight to Catflow. All right, just stay with me, fam. You're gonna enjoy this video. I'm telling you honestly. So so this is that. So let's just get right with this, fam. And the next thing to do here is to click on flows. All right, click on flows. All right, when you click on flows, of course this stuff here loading are simply the funnels I've built already before now. So when you click on flows, what you're gonna do here is to add new. All right, and add new, and when you click on here, you want to build from scratch. If you're someone that always want to build from scratch, all right, sometimes it's good to build from scratch, but if you don't have the time to want to do that, you don't have to really stress yourself. So this is how it looks. So when you're on this session, all right, you can see views there for this particular funnel. In fact, this has it has a landing page, which is the sales page. It has a checkout page and thank you page, just straight up. All right, there's there's nothing much here, all right. But the type of funnel we're gonna be using are the funnels that the type of the funnel we're gonna be using that the one that has both the upsell, all right. It had the upsell, all right, and then this one has just upsell and downsell. Upsell and thank you page. So let's look for maybe one that has upsell, downsell. All right, let's just look for something like that. Let's view step. Beautiful. Now this is it. This has no thank you checkout. No, this doesn't have it. Just a moment, fam. I'm gonna have to really find this a particular flow that has upsell, downsell, so that we can actually understand what I was saying here. Okay, check out. I don't know what's happening. This should not be hiding. Like, sorry, just hold on. Let's check this. Well, I do not know. For some reasons, I'm not actually seeing the one that has that, but that is fine. All right, that is fine. Let's just let's check this. Okay, it is as how there's a particular template I'm looking for, but I haven't seen it. So we're just gonna click on anyone that has the upsell, and then let me just give you the picture. I think that's when I clicked here. I think I like that. Where is it? This should be it, right? So I'm gonna preview this right now. I'm gonna preview it. So this is how it actually works here. So What is happening? Sorry, hold on, please. Perhaps we'll have to just select something simple. Okay, let's preview this. I don't know why that's not loading up. I just want to give us a preview of how it looks. Okay, boom, 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 boom. So okay, wow, so this is our checkout page. All right, and this is our checkout page, right? And so let's just bring it this way, that you've gone from your sales page and then you're already on your checkout page, and your customer wants to really check out for the product they want to buy. Now this is the product that brought them to the checkout page. All right, and they of course at this point, all right, would place an order for the product. Okay, you know, the normal or the regular flow we'll have is that once we hit the checkout page, it takes us straight to the thank you page. But in this case, we'll have to get through the upsell. We must sell to the customer. So how it was at this point now, right? So as you can see here, your order is not yet complete. All right, take advantage of the massive one-time offer, right? So this is wherever the brand is trying to upsell us, and then all right, now in this case a higher variation of the product, but in your case you might want to have it to be another related product even. All right, and yes, so if I click yes, add this to my order, I find out that it's been added to my order. All right, and then I've been taken to the thank you page basically. And so look at the total stuff here, right? So this is the first order, the Happy Ninja shirt, which is at $5. All right, and then this is the upsell, right, for extra the extra black, which is what's at $5. You see, so this simple funnel already. All right, I have made, like, I've basically ordered for 2 products in a funnel. All right, I don't know if you're actually getting this. Let me just show you another flow to really grab this a lot better. So let's just see what this looks like. Let's preview this. Good. So look at this again. So these probably would be for a digital product, right? Yes, I guess so. So this is for a digital product, and we'll come to that from the sales page. We're already on the checkout page, and we're already about to check out for this product. Now, the beautiful thing about Cartflow is I can even create coupon codes such that when you apply them, you can give your customer a discount on all that and all that. So we'll place an order again, and once we do that, we'll be taken to the upsell. There's something else we want to buy. Now look at another book here, or Digital Marketing Fundamentals Guide for $30. Yes, add this to my order, and with that we've made more sales. This particular funnel works for both. It works for both the physical products and digital products, and you can actually start using this funnel, all right, for your business. And to be honest with us, it's going to actually increase. So this is the first one we use there for $9, and now this is the Digital Marketing Fundamental Guide for $30. A whole lot. So we just sending single traffic to your funnel, we've been able to make a lot of money. So welcome again. I mean, yeah, you're welcome. So this is it. So you have to start using this funnel type, all right, so you can actually get more. You can actually make a lot of money. I mean, this is going to increase the sales revenue for your business. So think of a situation that if you are someone on the e-commerce, right, and you're selling a product, right? You're selling a product. I don't know what name I'm gonna call the product right now. Let's say you're selling as this particular oil some time ago, they call it what's it called, oh my god, let's just, for example, you are selling a special product. I don't even know a typical example to give, but the example I'm trying to bring to us basically is such that we have a product that we can sell the main products, right? And we can have a related product. So, and of course there's a lot of related product we can sell. All right. There's this particular product called the what's it called, oil, pain relief oil, right? And then there's this particular product also called what was the name again, these ankle socks and all that. Like this, they're like, basically at this point you should be thinking of a product that you can sell hand in hand, so that one can be the main product that you're selling for 10,000, 20,000 depending. All right, of course you should always know this, main product cost should always be higher than the cross selling. So you can't be selling 10,000 and they want to cross. I mean, it doesn't really gonna, it won't be anyway, it won't be a lot better. But then make sure that the main product is usually high. Maybe you're selling for a product for 25,000 and they are cross selling for 10,000, 5,000, 20,000 depending. I mean, this is good business. One traffic, and then you are clean to you're selling two products at the same time, and you're delivering to the customer. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really do enjoy this video, please again and again share this video and subscribe, and yeah, until see the next time, fam. Thank you, and then love you.